happened in COVID. Happened in COVID 2020. It was an EP. I called it The Genius and the Alchemist. You can stream it wherever you want. It's on Spotify. What? So I did The Genius and the Alchemist solely with Vintex and a guy called Trick Beats. Trick is in Bukoto. Actually, yeah, Trick Beats. So we recorded from Trick, and it's COVID time, so even the movements were hard. You get me and Vinny had to always look for a car that had a sticker on it to move just to record, and it was a bit. It's not what I expected, because it's COVID time. It's not like it's time of shows or you're doing this or you're up and down. So it was purely just for people to listen. And yeah, we did just an Alchemist, and I didn't release again till last year December. Actually, Batman. So now I'm here. I've done actually Batman, as you can hear. 4 tracks. I'd actually done seven, but four is what we chose. And yeah, man, when I was doing actually Batman, even like naming the thing actually Batman, it's something that had been going on as a joke, like between me and my friends, like calling me the actually Batman. And then when I seated here and I'm like, what are we going to call the project? And we thought, and then I was like, man, I wanted to call it actually Batman, but I don't know. And everyone was like, yeah, man, that's it, actually Batman, like that. It was actually Batman, and man, I'm proud of the team. Very proud of the team. Again, I'm very proud. I'm proud that I had people who I worked with. I had G, I had a collab with a homie and TJ Spliff. You know, I dropped the first actual Amapiano track in language. You get, which I'm still pushing, by the way. I have another one coming out soon. Yeah. Language is something that we are going to have to learn. Man, visuals, videos, videos is what I'm trying to push. I'm trying to be visually there. You get, because musically I'm here every day. I don't change. I wake up in the studio, I go to sleep in the studio. So I'm trying to work on visuals. I have Mass Polo again. Why is Mass Polo is too talented? He's a producer, he's a videographer, he does filmography. Is that even a real word? Filmography. He does all those type of things, man. So yeah, me and Mass are working on something big this year, man. So just expect visuals, expect me to be more visually available. So you can get me every streaming platform. As usual, let us go from Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes. I don't know, you can Shazam me, you can Music Match me, you can just Google me, and just Google me. And then my Instagram, my socials are OG Stash Triple B. That's OGSTSAHBBB. Everywhere. It doesn't change. It's the same name constantly. Whether Snap, whether Instagram, whether Twitter, I'll be there. OG Stash Triple B. Highlight your boy.